morning everyone. I'm Colonel Markus Leivo. I'm the commander of the Satakunta Air Wing. Satakunta Air Wing is one of the Air Force's main operating bases. We are the multi-purpose wing and we operate with all aircraft types that we have in Air Forces. Mostly with the transportation aircraft, but also with the F-18s and Hawks. And in the future, also with the F-35s. What comes to the NATO ISR force, I'm very happy that we are at this position right now, and the NATO ISR force and the RQ-4 Phoenix is here in our base conducting the first deployment outside the Sigonella base. We have great capabilities here and skillful personnel in order to support this kind of activities. Pirkkala is a great location and we are also surrounded with the vivid international city environment. I'm very proud of the cooperation that we have had here during the deployment. It has been such a great teamwork together. So thank you very much.
I'm Brigadier General Brian Creel. I'm the current commander of the NATO Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance Force located down in beautiful Sigonella, Italy on the island of Sicily. It's great to be here today. It's really great to be here today. And Marcus, your support here on the base has been tremendous. We have proven a few things by coming to Finland here and operating out of Finland. We've proven that we can separate our aircraft from Sigonella. We can then bring in our support assets with the help of the base, of course, and then we can bring it full up and fly out of this airfield that is totally separate from our home base. That's the first time we did that. We didn't come here just because we decided to do that. It was a tasking from Air Command, which is the air command for NATO and Allied command operations based out of Ramstein. The support that we've received from the base, not only the base, but the Finnish Air Force has been tremendous. And what we've worked on is how we provide real-time intelligence to the alliance that is dependable, flexible, and relevant for what the need is. So one of the things that we can do by operating out of here is that we don't have to fly long distances from Sigonella to an area that we're tasked to provide our mission support. We might be tasked to provide support right here around this area. That saves flying time, valuable flying time for our aircraft from Sigonella to wherever that may be, anywhere in Europe where we're tasked. The other thing though is it allows us to be in different places. When you're in different places, your adversaries don't know where you are all the time. So just because we're here doesn't mean that our mission is in this area. We could actually go to other areas of Europe or the Atlantic and provide mission support there. And we provide that real time back to our operations in Sigonella. Not only do our pilots fly the aircraft from Sigonella, no matter where it is, we also process all the data there and we provide it real time to the alliance and also to the member nations. So with that, I thank you again. The partnership here, the building trust and the interoperability has been tremendous. And I thank you for coming out today.
Good morning, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Gonzalez from Spanish Air Force. As our General said, I'm the detachment commander for the Global Hawk Force here. We arrived here to be able to project our force out of Sigonella. Our mission here is to be able to launch different sorties, to operate from here, and to prove we can adapt to the different evolving scenarios and to provide the valuable intelligence for the alliance, for the decision-making process. That's the basics. At the tactical level, we're going to be launching different sorties from here to collect on different areas and to interoperate with the host nation, with Finland, to develop, to enhance and to be enablers for the intelligence collection process across the alliance.